Hi, my name is Julie Lobb. I work with teachers that are overwhelmed and overworked. They improve student performance while getting their work-life balance back. My life before the AA program had confusion. I knew that I had something to share with the world, but I didn't know how to get it out there, the mechanism, the system. And when I discovered AA, it just landed. It resonated, organic, authentic. Um, it was the style that I needed to share my gift with the world. I have a plan and a system, and this plan and system has been tried, tested, refined. It brings so much peace. My product is so much better than what it would have been without AA, and it's a legitimate business. Success, helping people, engaging with the people that I need to be working with that need me. It's been an amazing experience. I'm working with 9 amazing teachers. They are all driven, want to do the best for their students, but they struggle with work-life balance and how to optimize their skill in the classroom. I found my ideal client. I can help them, and it's awesome. The discussion that we have, the growth that I'm seeing, the victories that they're having in both student performance and regaining their work-life balance, it's been amazing. I'm so thankful to the AA program for providing a system that I could connect and reach with my ideal client. Their lives are changed, they're experiencing that transformation, and the joy for me as I watch and can be a part of that. If you are looking for a system that provides every nut and bolt to not only create your online program but market it, this is the place. It will be a step of faith, but with all of the evidence, it is a small step of faith. It is going to be so great. It's going to provide you with the tools that you need to be successful so you can share your gifts with the world.